Aamir Khan's condemning AIB roast hasn't gone down well with a large section of people, and it also includes stand-up comedian Russell Peters, who has asked him to shut up and mind his own business. Yes, Aamir Khan, who is known for giving opinions on the social issues of the society, is given a piece of advice by Russell, who disliked actors' thought about AIB roast. Seriously, who is he, the so-called artist, to say that he found it violent and that AIB and rest involved should have been responsible? He did not even see it. Someone please ask him to shut up and take care of his own business. The Canadian actor of Indian origin was quoted as saying by a leading daily. Not only this, Russell even went to question Aamir's style of working, as he said further, he is an actor, not even a real artist. He goes in front of the camera and reads out lines that someone else has written. Then he is giving his opinion about something that is honest. Russell, who loved the roast session, also met the AIB comedians Tanmay Bhatt and Gursimran Khamba to congratulate them and said them that they should feel proud. PK actor Aamir Khan last week said that he was deeply disturbed by what AIB team did publicly. Also, the actor asserted that the jokes that were cracked at AIB roast were not at all funny for him. Rather, he was deeply affected by the act, and he also scolded Karan Johar and Arjun Kapoor for being part of the show.
I was deeply affected by that. I was most disappointed in what I was hearing. I completely believe in freedom of speech. No issues. But we have to understand that we all have a certain responsibility. I felt it was a very violent event. There was a lot of violence in that event. देखिए, violence सिर्फ physical नहीं होता कि मैं आपको दो जूते मारूं. Violence verbal भी होता है, violence emotional भी होता है. आप एक बहुत ही violent चीज कर रहे हो और आप दुनिया को दिखा रहे हो कि देखो मैं कितना violent हूँ. तो मुझे वो चीजें पसंद नहीं है कि मैं आपको violence दिखाऊं, चाहे वो physical हो और उसको मैं आपको बताऊं कि कितना कमाल का है. I don't like it. So I'm sure there are a lot of young people who have liked the show. And I believe that all of us have different opinions and we are allowed to have a different opinion. But I'll give you my opinion. मुझे लगा कि it was a very violent show. इसलिए मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. तो मैंने मेरे दोस्त हैं करण और अर्जुन, तो मैंने तो उनको डांटा. मैंने बोला यार मुझे ये फनी नहीं लग रहा है. और 25 गालियां देके आप सोचते हो कि मैं इम्प्रेस हो जाऊंगा. तो गालियों से इम्प्रेस होने का मेरी उम्र निकल चुकी है. मैं 14 साल का नहीं हूँ कि मैं गाली सुन के हंसूंगा. हाँ गाली दी उसने यार. I am not impressed by bad language. आप जोक अगर मुझे आप हंसाना चाहते हो तो आप बगैर किसी को चोट पहुंचाए आप मुझे हंसा के दिखाओ तो मुझे मजा आएगा उसमें.
Well, thanks for watching this video. Now hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy.